Mueller from Las Recetas de Laura and Spicy Latina Mom. I teach you how to cook healthy Mexican food. And to all of you that have diabetes, are following a low-carb diet or keto, I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect tortillas for your tacos and your quesadillas. Are you ready? Let's begin. So the ingredients for this recipe is a whole cauliflower grated as a cauliflower rice. I have over here half a cup of melting cheese. This is Chihuahua cheese, but you can use mozzarella or any kind of melting cheese. I have some salt, I have 2 eggs, and that's all you need. Because the taste of the tortilla actually has to be very neutral. You really want to have the flavor for what is inside the tortilla and also an amazing salsa that you can find at my social media. Okay, so let's begin. I have my cauliflower here, and I have some parchment paper over this. So I'm gonna toss my cauliflower in here, and I'm gonna put in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until you see that it's turning a little brown on the edges. That way you're gonna know that this is ready to go out. So this is the first step. So my cauliflower is ready. Stayed in the oven for about 25 minutes, and as you can see, the edges are brown already. So I'm just gonna put them inside this bag. It's important that you let it cool down for a little bit. Other way, this is gonna be way too hot and you can burn yourself. Okay, so we're gonna put it all. I have this bag that is gonna help me to drain the water, but you can use some fabric or whatever you have handy. And now it's time to get rid of as much water as you can. And believe me, there is tons of water in this cauliflower. So I'm just gonna squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. And when you think that this is ready and it doesn't have any more water, squeeze again, because you're gonna find more water. I told you that it has tons of water. So now my cauliflower is all dry and ready to go. I'm putting it here in another container, and we are gonna add 2 eggs. We are gonna add some salt. This is to taste. I will say about less than half a teaspoon. There we go. And half a cup of grated cheese. This is melting cheese. You can use the kind that you like better. Okay, so we're gonna put it all together and mix it all well. And well, Mexicans, we do tortillas like this. We just use our hands. So get dirty. So my mixture is ready, and what is kind of our dog, and I have some parchment paper over here. Remember that it's important that it is parchment paper so it won't stick, okay? So I'm just creating small balls of our mixture. I'm gonna put them in here, and I'm just gonna press it with another parchment paper on top. If you want this mixture to be more tasty, you can add some cilantro, or you can add some probably coriander, that is the same as cilantro, or cumin, or more species. But I won't recommend it because remember, tortillas have to be neutral. You want it to be neutral to have the flavor from the other ingredients. Now that we have our dog in the form of a tortilla, just put it in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Then flip them over and put them back for another 6 minutes, and your tortillas are ready. And look how amazing these tortillas look. They are super easy to take them. So we're gonna put it here, and they are great. Look how soft they are. The perfect texture to make your tacos, your quesadillas, or whatever you want. So this is an excellent recipe for a keto diet, or a person with diabetes, or whoever is trying to look out for them, for their health. Look at this. I made a quesadilla already. Doesn't it look amazing? You can have them for breakfast, for dinner, for lunch, at any time of the day. And of course, you can find more amazing recipes at Spicy Latina Mom. And if you want to practice Spanish, just look for me at Las Recetas de Laura. Look at my salsa. Just gonna put it on top of my quesadilla. And amigos, hasta la vista. More recipes at Spicy Latina Mom.